So we got some work from school. I already did it. Guys. I already did it. Got a glass of Coke. Oh my god, it's so nice. And we got like some chicken and some fries, as you guys can see. Eyes for the camera. Oh my gosh, guys, it's salt and tomato sauce on. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can see the salt. Guys, I don't know me. I love Coca-Cola. I think Coca-Cola is my best thing to drink. Come on, Bobby, let's play. I am. Oh, my No, I like them. Anyways, bye guys. Love you guys. Oh, finally, the video is off. As a reaction with your voice. Bye, guys.